Why hello there. Good morning. You're probably wondering what I've done today. It's currently like 11:40 a.m. or so, almost noon. I actually woke up around 9, so I drank some protein. I'm gonna go to kickboxing today, making some Pocari Sweat. Oh, it's not really shakeable. Watch Jujutsu Kaisen, pretty intense action anime. Redo of a healer. That anime is super dark. The Shield Hero, that's like a revenge anime. This one though is like pure vengeance. Yep, that's how I spent my Saturday morning. Because yeah, it was like 200 Mbps for my internet right now, so everything was playing smoothly. Alright, get ready. Hoop. First order of business. So I'm gonna go grab some cash right now. Dang. Yeah, I can't withdraw from other ATMs because some ATMs don't have the passbook option and I don't have my cash card yet because of my whole address hullabaloo.
Please insert your passbook or card. Thank you.
It's McDonald's. Finally done kickboxing. I was only there really short today, like an hour and a half-ish. Got to spar a few rounds, did my warm-up. So now I'm gonna head to Mito Station and go shopping a little bit. Let's go. I just remembered I got stuff to do at Joyo Bank. Just wanted to confirm the amount in my account. It's kind of frustrating because even though they have a banking app, it doesn't work somehow. Like I tried to download it, it was like it's not available in this country, and I'm like, what? I'm in Japan. Maybe it's my phone, I don't know. But it doesn't work. And the reviews for it are bad. So I can't check online, which is annoying. Alright, time to go to the station. Check out how empty Akatsuka station is on a weekend. Check this out, I've never seen this train. I think it says since 1985. It's pretty cool. Just remembered a few things. I gotta refill my ibaraki card for the bus. Okay. Now I can use it. A friend asked me to look for a mug in Starbucks. Check it out if they have it. Coupon. I didn't buy it yet because there's a hella long line. I just realized I haven't properly looked at this side of the station. Some dudes. Like they'd be chilling. Hey, what's up? Hello! There's like a little tower. There's like a performance stage of some sort. Whoa, it's a hand. On that side, check that out. That looks cool. Yeah, this is the north side of the station. There's a big donut. That's pretty much it. Ended up at the 100 yen shop and I really like this mug. Spoon. Looking for aprons. Meow meow. Purity. Discretion. Apple? That's just a preference. Plátano. Do you want to be a fashionable person? Why yes. Yes, I would love to be. I'm here in Big Camera again. Now looking for an iron. The Tefal brand is pretty cool. Check this out. Can plug this guy in. Oop. Plug is right here. Super cool. I really want, the cheapest one. It's like 20 bucks. But it's gone. Osusume best 3. Double decker. It's good. The green car. Yo, so I'm back home. My hair is weird because I had a beanie on. I'm gonna start cooking, but before that, it's a bit of a haul video. So I did end up getting a steam iron. Right? One of the cheaper ones, it's like 20 bucks-ish. Bought these 2 mugs, not for myself, but for a friend who asked. She's gonna pay for it, so it's cool. Okay, nice. The display one had like a bit of a scuff inside. I was like, can you exchange it with a new one? So she comes back out and she's like, here you go. And I'm like, cool, but like, and I was almost okay with it, but then I look at like the corner and it was like damaged, like for the box. And now I wouldn't have worried about it, but that's because I'm gonna use it. My friend is like collecting it, so I'm like, I think the box has to look nice. And then this is the other one, the little baby version of it, which also comes with a little thing. So it's more of an ornament, but actually I could use this for a espresso, I guess. Okay, at the grocery store, I bought some eggplants, some chopped up mushrooms, which is maitake, and some shabu shabu meat. And last thing, I bought some stuff at the 100 yen store. I finally have spoons. I didn't have spoons this whole time. I just had like plastic spoons, like, or plastic sporks. 2 forks. What the fork? A peeler, because I've been trying to peel my carrot with my chef's knife, but it's not effective. This is a little glass for serving liquor, but I'm gonna use it for sake. A 9-volt battery, because the thermometer that my dad gave me is a 9-volt battery thermometer. Scissors, and lastly, actually, a little ladle, and a bowl, which I will also need today. Alright, that's pretty much it, the little haul that I have for today. Okay, so I've got this massive cabbage here. Got some bad leaf. Got some bad leaf, bro! No, get out of there. What are you? It even comes with flies and stuff. Come here, boy. Found a little cute grub. Yeah, so cute. Gonna kill it though. This guy looks a lot better now. Okay, that's a lot more than I was expecting. Gonna pop it in here. Don't know if it'll fit, but let's try. Let's see what happens. Got some carrots, because I have a peeler. I can feel it. You know, I can feel it very good. It feels really good. Right. Got some enoki. Put some nira in there as well. And then we're gonna pop these babies in. That looks very full. But hey, let's see what happens. Finally gonna get to use a hondashi. Gonna eyeball this. This looks like yeast, by the way. Gonna put a little bit of vinegar. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of soy sauce. So basically, it's slightly adobo style. I'm gonna turn this baby on. Hope it doesn't overflow. Okay, it's finally starting to bubble up. Okay, that's not good. I'm gonna take this off. So it evaporates. Ah! Ah, no! Ugh, that's just great. It spilled all over. And extract some liquids. Okay. Hey, the broth looks good. Now it doesn't look like it's gonna explode. I'm gonna taste it. That is delicious. Wow. Yes. Success. Alright. Now it looks like a lot of it is pretty nice and tender. So I'm gonna now add some meat. Yeah. I find this intriguing that they put this fake plastic greens. It's supposed to cook quickly. Alright. I got my pork bits cooked up. Okay, it's a bit tough, this meat. Just taste the Napa cabbage. Delicious. Oh, that mushroom tastes interesting. This Napa cabbage has some flavor to it, because a lot of the times when I eat like Napa cabbage in like nabe and stuff, I kind of like lose the taste. It's like, I don't know, it's just cabbage, it's just some fiber go into my stomach. But this Napa cabbage actually has some flavor to it. Kind of like a mustard leaf like taste. I like it. And another serving of veggies. There's essentially nothing left here. Wow, I didn't actually expect to eat all of that. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom and I want to use the bathtub. There's a button here. I believe it's this one. I believe it says Jido, which means automatic. Oh boy. It just started squirting out. What? There was a sound. It was like, it was singing. But apparently it's done. Yeah, it just stopped. It was like, I'm done. All done with a shower and I feel so refreshed. Dipping yourself in a hot bath just feels so good. I'm just gonna be chilling, probably editing a little bit. Just another Saturday evening in my apartment.